In this video, I'll show you how you can upload a short to your YouTube channel. Now, a short is basically anything under 60 seconds. So if you do like this, let's just make this 25 seconds. Now, you also should keep in mind the ratio should be 9:16. Whatever editing software you use, just make sure it's 9:16. Obviously, this video was not filmed as a 9:16 video, so this will not look the best quality. But what you want to do is make sure you have 9:16 ratio. Make sure it's under 60 seconds. So this one is 25 seconds. So let me just quickly export this somewhere. Shorts. Let's do it as 60 FPS. And there we go. Now, while this is exporting, what you want to do is you can just head over to YouTube. By the way, the editing software I'm using is CapCut and it's completely free. But if you use another one, that works as well. From there, you want to head over to your YouTube account, press create right here, upload video. Then obviously select the video. I have mine right here, shorts. Then I'm just gonna upload right here. And it's already gonna be uploaded as a short. So what you can do is you can give it a title. It can be anything. Let's just call it short video. You can use a description. You can also, a lot of people do this, they type hashtag shorts. This will indicate that it's a shorts video. So if you have like, sometimes YouTube messes it up. I mean, usually it just, if it's under 60 seconds, YouTube will count it as a short, but sometimes that doesn't work for some reason. So if you type hashtag shorts, it's going to be a short video no matter what. A description, so type something. Thumbnail, you can only do that on the app when it's a short. From in here, you can choose all of this, whatever you want. You can add tags if you want, and as well as changing the languages. Now, what I want to do is just go to next, 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 and I'll just make this one private. I'll click save right here. And now, if I head to shorts, you'll see it has been uploaded under my shorts. Now, it's not under my videos, it's under my shorts. So as you can see, it's now a short video, as you can see by the little icon down here. Now, like I said, you don't need to put hashtag shorts. It just helps if YouTube has a little trouble with categorizing it. Now, that's basically how you do it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.